How to fix Steam Family Invite error. So in this video, I will show you how to fix the Steam Family Invite error so you can share your games without issues. So to get the Steam Family sharing, all you have to do is to open your account to your friend's Steam account and invite yourself in. Then go ahead and log into your account and then accept the invitation that you have sent. And to accept the invitation, all you have to do is to click on Steam right here on the upper leftmost part of the Steam program right here and go to settings. Once you're on your settings, all you have to do is to go to family right here. You can either create or join a Steam family. So in this way, we're going to join a Steam family. So Steam families allow you to share your Steam games with up to 5 other household members. So make sure that you only have 5 other household members and it does not exceed the numbers. So on your friend's account, all you have to do is to click on invite a member right here and invite yourself in by clicking on your account as their friends. And it will show the Steam that you're on the same household on the same Wi-Fi. So it will acknowledge the invitation given. So you just have to make sure that both accounts is on the same household for this to work. And make sure the invitation is accepted within the same household and within the same Wi-Fi network. So then the Steam Family Invite error is fixed because Steam Family Sharing is a great feature that lets you share your game library with your family members or your friends. But remember that some games can't be shared due to license restriction. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments below.